ensure the long-term functionality of ventilation systems, it is necessary to clean them regularly. If this cleaning is neglected, the ventilation systems will no longer be able to deliver the required airflow rates. Today, I would like to show you how you can clean ventilation systems easily and effectively using the Wöhler helicopter nozzle. We are now here in a building with a comfort ventilation system, and I will first insert a video inspection camera into the ventilation system. On the one hand, this shows me the layout of the system, and on the other hand, I can directly document the current condition of this ventilation system. For this specific task, I have decided to utilize the Wöhler helicopter nozzle with reverse rotation for this ventilation system. With this specialized helicopter nozzle, the compressed air generated by the compressor is discharged through the nozzle openings at a very high speed. Additionally, this helicopter nozzle is equipped with cleaning threads that are set into a rotating motion by the compressed air, which significantly improves and further enhances the overall cleaning effect. In this case, I'm also using the Wöhler dust guard or soot door sealing because the helicopter nozzle basically blows air towards me and directs the dust in my direction, and with the dust guard I can prevent that. I actually vacuum up the resulting dirt directly with an industrial vacuum cleaner. After switching on the extraction system and opening the compressed air valve, the cleaning of the ventilation system can now begin. After completing the work, it is advisable to once again insert the video inspection camera into the ventilation system to document the success of the cleaning.